We will do it live. We'll do it live on this Friday, July 19th, 20 and the 24, 12:49 p.m. here in the farm fields, the sunny farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. We're still down in our whiskey today. We're off about about 66,000 from all-time high. But that's okay. We are coiling that spring once again. Yes, we are. 3 out of the 4 sweethearts are down. Gold, silver, oil, all down. Bitcoin is up. So let's take a look at some things here. I miss, as I've said the last, 3 videos, I missed my opportunity to sell covered calls on Devon. I was waiting for 49. I missed the couple of times that it surged above 49, and now it's trading in the mid 47s, maybe upper 3/4. Oh, up a little bit since I last looked at it. So heading back up, which is a good sign. Overall, I think oil's got some movement down south before it finds some more legs north. So I may have to wait another round before I'm able to sell covered calls on Devon. Definitely am not in a position to sell them on my other oil positions, such as PBF Energy down 20 G's on that position. Vermilion is down $2,000. So got to get those closer to at least break even and a little bit into the plus territory to begin selling covered calls. Still feel very bullish about oil. I'd say from like the next moves north through the end of the year. So what's going on? Let's take a look at the charts that I've put up recently. Got a new one to look at today. Gold has done what we were hoping it wouldn't do. It's plunged through the 2415, which is it was the first line in the sand. The next line would be down here at the bottom of this 2. So that looks to be about 2388. 2388 would be the next line in the sand. Based on its current move, I think it's certainly going lower than 2388. So we would have to look all the way probably down. Let's see, can we move this up just a little? Where are you at? Yeah, there it is. Move it up while you hold your breath. Come on, you could do it. There it is. All right, so next I would be looking for I would imagine 2300 is going to be threatened based on the way this movement has taken place. Now, the caveat to that is that between now and the end of the close today, we have a rally that puts us up back at 2415 or higher. Currently, the way that it is looking, I don't think that is going to happen, which basically means that the next move, the probabilities of the next moves, plural, will be in the red and be bearish. So that is all that Elliott wave theory is, based on probabilities. So we've currently blown the next probability of being bull and are currently in a high probability or higher probability of being bearish. So that's what we'd be looking for as this continues to head south. Then we certainly would have strong support at 2300. Breaking below 2300 would be like triple red flags. So I'm not overly concerned, still very bullish. We are going to be plus 25 easy this year, still just a matter of when. But like I said, currently looking to be continue to head north or south, unless we can have a little bit of a rally into the end of the trading day today. I would say even above, like firmly above 2400, which it's already back up to 2400. We could call this. We'd have to measure each of these waves, but it could easily be that is the end of 4. But typically 4 doesn't get into 1. I'm just talking out loud. Anyways, I think we're heading south on gold. Could turn around as early as today. That's a lot of double talk. That's what Elliott wave theory is. Silver has done the same thing to us. We wanted to hold 30, and we said if we don't hold 30, then we're going down to between 28.50 and 29, and we did exactly that. We went all the way down to 28.85. And then we've had a nice reversal from there and have been holding above 29. So that is a good sign that possibly this move south may be over, but we have to see how we finish today. And then we'll take a look at all of the probabilities. But according to its move, it's shown a pretty firm or support here at the 2882, which is nice, and that's right between the numbers we were talking about. So we'll see what the next, if we can get what we need from here, would be 5 moves up. So we could have a micro 1 in here, a micro 2, then we'd be looking for 3, 4, 5, hopefully to take us back north, just north of 30. But it could get a micro 5 without even getting to 30, but we'd have to really get out the magnifying glass. So if it then breaches, the 29 or the 2882 today, then we definitely need to be on the lookout for it to continue down to 2850. So right now, I think probabilities are a little better for a bullish moment than gold is. Next up, the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is performed very well this week. Whoa. Look at that. We set this up, as you know, beginning of the week, and we were looking for if it was going to be a strong move bearish, then we needed to hold 59,000 as a last resort. That move was in this area it was actually right under this 63,900 that we set as a July 1st high. So our thought was if we can break through 63.9, then we're going to be bullish up to 67,000. We even moved our bullish hold line up, and look, it bounced right off of it. We moved the bullish hold up to 62.3, and it has performed beautifully since then, and we are just about at our target of 67,000. Can it blow through 67? You know how Bitcoin is. It can, but I would be looking for a bit of a move, a healthy move south even. We would move this bullish hold up even higher, probably even move it up to like the 63.9, which would be an awesome new support, but we'll have to take a finer look. But right now, Bitcoin is handling itself very nice. Then we added one here. I had a viewer comment about the look of TLT, and I agree that bullish is the look. It's not the immediate look. We need what we're getting right now, which then sets up an even better bullish look. So this has been it's an odd looking chart, the TLT 20-year US Treasuries ETF. And it looks like this might be it, like right here at, what is that, 92, around 92.80. That might be the end of this decline here, but we for sure would want to see support hold up at 91.85 and above. And right now, I think it's held up very well above the 91.85, which would be a big red flag here. So if this continues right now, you see it's just meandering sideways. But if the next moves begin to be north, then we need to take out the 94.59. We take out 94.59, and I think we're going straight to 96 in the TLT. But we need to see evidence of that before we become bullish on our trades. If this continues down, depending on how the wave counts look, then I would get very bullish around any signs of bottoming at the 91.85. But right now we may be bottoming at that 92.80, which would also be just fine, but we need to see evidence of what is the next move. Is it 5 up? That would be, and then 5 up blowing through 94.59, then it'd be like, okay, I'm good. I am good with that. So I like the looks of the charts. Yeah, is gold and silver and oil doing what we want it to do? It can't just always go up. It needs to come down from time to time, take a breather, recoil, and then spring forward, because we still haven't seen the heart of the silver run yet. So I'm very excited about that. And we certainly haven't seen any type of overly bullish moves in oil. Yes, it's had a nice couple of weeks as far as moving itself up but it is currently poised to continue south before we get another up in oil. So I probably want to add a USO chart or even a crude oil chart to the plethora of charts that we're throwing up on the board here. Probably do that on a Monday, but that's what's up. That is what is happening. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.